Well, I just totally dropped my phone and I caught it, and that's what ended the last video.
Yeah. Oh, what's this random? Hey girls, how are you?
Oh.
Hi.
Hi.
They're growing, or they have roses out there.
You don't have your hat on today.
Oh, yeah. That's cool. Alright, shampoo.
Totally.
Color shoes. $3.
Well, that's $4.
I know.
Oh look, they have mane and tail shampoo for horses.
I had to use that one. It's
Yeah.
actually pretty good shampoo.
That's $2.50.
I want a fat bottle of the colors. We don't have it.
Push that cup right out of your way.
So yeah, we're looking for a specific type that's cheap, than what's already up here.
No.
For cosmetically or consistently beautiful hair. I thought it said cosmetically beautiful hair.
Distinctly beautiful hair. Because I don't know what else is going on right now. What do?
Well, they obviously don't have the fat bottles. So you gotta make do with the not fat bottles.
Not that thing.
The non-fat bottles. I like how there's that random hole way out there in the middle of that door.
Oh yeah.
Say hello! Aww. It's so denied. Oh, this stuff is what I use here.
Yeah.
Leaving conditioner. It's so good. This is like some drama right here. Are you the one for me?
Perhaps. Because I'm a total hippie. But I don't know how this would work with the color, like you would strip the color, but if it's supposed to be biodegradable, then you wouldn't think so. What do? What do? This says for normal hair, but this is for color treated hair.
Well, then get the color treated hair one.
But I'm a tree hugger.
Well, think of it like this. Do you love trees more, or do you love that awesome color of dark purple brown in your hair?
I don't know. I don't know. I love trees more, I think.
You should ask YouTube.
Hey YouTube, what do? Oh my god.